Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to share note on iPhone. So guys, first things first is simply go ahead and go to your settings, and now over here just simply select your profile at the top, and now from here you could just simply go ahead and go for the iCloud. Now, once you are here, guys, select see all on the save to iCloud over here. And now just try to find notes over here, the notes application, and tap on it. And after that, just make sure, guys, that this iPhone is turned on. Now, once you have done that, you can just simply open up the notes application. Now, guys, once you are on the Notes app, select a new or create a new one at the bottom right corner of the screen. And of course, just put a title and provide your notes. And once you have done that, select the share icon on the top right corner, and from here, you should have an option collaborate. So make sure that this is collaborate. And as you can see, only invited people can edit. And you can select that, and you will have other options as well if they can view it or make some changes, and pretty much who can access this share note this note and select done. Once you are done, and pretty much you could just simply go ahead and select the people that you have contacted with over here at the top, or you could just simply select any application that you want to proceed and just simply go for it. And as you can see, I should be able to share it and just simply send the link to them, and pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.